Welcome to Lake Washington Institute of Technology's celebration of Global Accessibility Awareness Day. All of us at Lake Washington Tech deeply value the diversity of our campus and community. This week, our Digital Accessibility Committee has planned an exciting, interactive, week-long virtual event packed with challenges, games, live sessions, and trainings. We invite you to visit LWTech.edu/GAAD to explore our page, and you'll see what's planned. I want to share with you why this is important. All of us at Lake Washington Tech are driven by our mission to prepare students for today's careers and tomorrow's opportunities. We are committed to supporting students and our college community from all backgrounds and all abilities. We are committed to providing digital content that is in an accessible format to all people wherever possible as per federal and state guidelines. And it's a priority for us to ensure that all Lake Washington Tech community members with disabilities have equal opportunity to access and utilize information, materials, technologies, and technology-related services. Accessibility is essential to remove barriers to education for students. Accessibility is ongoing work, and our community is working hard to make strides in this area. Every single one of us creates digital content every day, and we all have a responsibility to ensure that it's accessible, because access is not just for those with disabilities, it benefits all of us. As part of our first few steps as a college, our Digital Accessibility Committee has created a collection of web pages and information to build awareness around digital accessibility. Learn what digital accessibility is and how your everyday work contributes to creating digital content. And through this week's events, there will be opportunities to show what you've learned and win prizes along the way. I invite and challenge you to explore and participate to find ways to build accessibility into your digital footprint.